A Chinese envoy on Thursday told the UN General Assembly Emergency Special Session on Ukraine that facilitation of a ceasefire is a top priority and the door to a political solution cannot be closed.
The lessons of history tell us that crises, however deep, can ultimately be resolved peacefully. No matter how difficult it is, the door to a political solution cannot be closed. We support Russia and Ukraine moving towards each other, resuming direct dialogue as soon as possible, bringing their legitimate concerns into the negotiation, setting out feasible options, putting an early end to the crisis, and giving peace a chance.
Dai noted that the top priority is to facilitate ceasefire and cessation of hostilities without delay.
We once again call on the parties to the conflict to remain rational, restrain their impulses, and prevent the crisis from getting worse or even out of control. The parties to the conflict should strictly abide by international humanitarian law, avoid attacking civilians and civilian infrastructure, protect women, children, and other victims of the conflict, respect the basic rights of prisoners of war.
The ambassador also called on the international community to make joint efforts to facilitate peace talks.
We reiterate our appeal that diplomacy and negotiation cannot be abandoned. Efforts towards ceasefire and talks must go on. The international community should create conditions for this to happen rather than fan the flames and seek self-interest. We urge the countries concerned to stop abusing unilateral sanctions and long-arm jurisdiction. Instead, they should act in a way conducive to de-escalation.
Dai said China always stands on the side of peace and dialogue and always advocates peace and promotes talks.